Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy this BONK token on your Metamask wallet. It's quick and simple tutorial, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So to buy BONK, you will need to go ahead and use Radium. So Radium.io is a swap where basically you can go ahead and buy from Solana network. As you can see, you need to connect here a wallet. So that's the first things you wanna do is click on connect wallet and choose Metamask. And as you can see, the Metamask is on Solana network. Now, as you can see, the Metamask wallet on Solana network was connected. And now, as you may know, you need Solana coins. So make sure you have Solana coins on your Metamask wallet. Now, if you don't have Solana, just go ahead to your Metamask wallet, click Receive Tokens, and send your Solana here. And you will get your Solana there from, for example, Binance. And once you will have Solana, you're gonna go ahead and search here for your BONK token. You can go ahead and go to CoinMarketCap and copy the contract address. So you would need to go ahead and copy the Solana network one, just like so. And instead of clicking on this one, you're just gonna write it down, click on BONK. Now you're gonna write down how much you want to spend, and that's how much of the BONK you will get. So that's it. You're gonna swap it and then you will have it on your MetaMask wallet. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.